Who else am I struggling with? Himino?
Himino.
It doesn't matter. She's dead now.
Me.
I'm kidding.
You don't know that. Sure. I need like a funeral to be convinced or something.
She doesn't even have a body. This is gonna be her eye patch
Yeah, what
casket.
Himino. This is what happens, guys, when you have a speech impediment.
I know there was like, we weren't totally clear if, what's his name? The guy that was with Kobani.
Arai?
Arai. We do understand that he purposely blocked the bullet now.
I didn't see it as like him like jumping in front of a shot for her knowing it's a bullet. He kind of just like reacted and did like protect, stood in front of her. But I guess I see that like a quick reaction. But it also looked like he just like maybe turned around. So I didn't know. But then she said he saved me. So I was like, okay.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. We get it. We got that.
Okay.
Oh, and also...
I'm pretty sure I was like, oh, okay, he did when she said it.
You did, yeah.
Yeah, and people want to also point out that Himino did say at one point that Kobani has good movement. She's just really timid.
Right, yeah.
Which
she said that when they were in the Eternity Devil's lair.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just letting everyone know, we saw those comments as well. Because we were like, where did this come from?
I mean, where did it come from? We didn't see it before. It's still the same thing.
Yeah, good movement is still pretty vague.
Talk is cheap. I gotta see action, guys.
Yeah, that's true.
Actions speak louder than words, okay?
I'm just saying. Good movement is pretty vague compared to what she actually did, I feel like.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
No, I didn't know she was going to come parkouring on flying vehicles, okay?
And like have dead eyes with the fucking gun.
Yeah,
sure
like,
shot, man. She pretty
I'm
accurate.
pretty agile, too.
Anyway.
Not like that, though.
Yeah, I knew there was a reason why they put her on, the squad.
Definitely like the special squad.
Hey
guys, it's Dani.
I'm Morgan.
I'm Sam.
We are
the React Pack.
So we're on episode 10 of Chainsaw Man. In the previous episode, we saw that Makima is still alive. And we also got a glimpse into her abilities where she just takes other people, says a person's name, does like this kind of thing, and squishes people.
Yeah.
And then kills the substitute that she grabs. So it's like some kind of like ceremony she has to pretty much do to use her powers. And it's scary. And she killed pretty much all the henchmen that were part of the like gun attack. Except like, the two main people who probably be the best squished. But that's fine. We're moving on from that. And then at the end of it, we learned that pretty much their whole division got wiped out.
Mm-hmm.
But Arai saved Kobani when they were getting shot. And she survived. She comes out, a kitchen knife, and just goes freaking ham and rescues Denji from the last two. I believe it's Katana Man and some blonde chick that we don't know. Wait, do we know her name?
I don't...
They said it. I'm going to have to see it a couple more times.
We don't know her name.
No.
So she has a weird worm devil thing. And she pretty much popped off. And
Snake Devil,
thank you. And that's pretty much where we're left at. Oh, and one of the other guys who didn't survive the gun attacks quit. He put in his resignation.
Yeah.
So the two people from Kyoto are with Makima now. And they're like, we're not doing your division, by the way. We're just help to trade. And we're out of here after that.
Oh,
So we don't really know if that's going to be true or not.
Well, the guy quit because didn't he have like a feeling that he knew, like Makima knew
Yeah,
it was
Makima
going
knew
to
what was gonna
happen?
happen.
So he didn't feel safe, so he quit.
And she didn't do anything to like save all those people.
Yeah.
She's definitely a sussy one.
Yeah, she is.
She's scary.
And her abilities are frightening.
Yeah, how can she even do that?
I don't know. She must have a great
She
devil
must be-
contract.
Yeah, what does she have to give up? What's her trade to this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. It looks like she just uses, like,
Does
she
she
gives up another person.
Yeah, that's what I'm
instead
saying.
of
Her
herself.
trade is someone else, not her.
Yeah.
Her what?
So, how people have to give, like, blood and skin, all that stuff?
Yeah.
She gives another person.
Yeah,
instead
their
of-
whole life.
And she doesn't even have to do anything, like, sacrifice anything.
Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah.
look like she's sacrificing anything.
Damn. And I bet you she's probably like the only one that has that contract too.
Yeah.
Probably.
What did she, like, 'cause she got shot, so did she have to sacrifice something in order to, like, become alive again?
It might just be another part of her ability that we just
True.
don't know yet.
Yeah.
Because, like, from what we've seen, I don't know how, like, what we've seen would have got her out of that.
Yeah, that's what,
Yeah.
because they just kind of showed her getting up. They didn't really show, like, how or what she did.
She has a contract with the Revival Devil.
It's just another contract.
Regeneration Devil.
You can have more than one contract, so I guess
Yeah.
it could be just a whole other one.
Yeah.
And she probably sacrifices more convicts to get another life.
Yeah.
Or maybe she has a contract with the Cat Devil because they have 9 lives.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Corny.
Very possible. All
right, Tyler, let's go watch it.
You'll find out by watching more. So,
yes.
But before we do that, make sure you check out Patreon where we have uncut reactions and early access. Join our Discord, come chat with us, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media at the React Pack, and check out our merch store at thereactpack.com.
Yes. Oh yeah, like this hoodie that has words on the sleeves. You know.
Words on the sleeves hoodie.
The React
we
Pack.
just like words on the sleeves in case you forget how to spell it.
Can we get an Aki update?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What the hell?
Oh,
There
yeah,
he is.
there he is.
Okay, good.
Please
get
get your feet off the
little
bed.
dirty
His shoes
shoes.
on.
At least they're there for him.
Oh, and Power's back.
Yo, where the fuck? Where did you go?
He's eating all of his apples.
He's not even cutting them up for him like he did for him.
Do they even know he's up?
Oh.
Yep. Oh.
Oh, I thought she was excited that he woke
Me
up.
too. I thought she didn't like vegetables or fruit.
They're just back to their antics. Everyone's wiped out.
Oh, my heart.
Wait, who's this shrimp?
Kobani.
Oh. I thought he said Kobani. My bad. Yeah, leave.
One apple.
How caring.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
What? No. No.
Don't use that sword anymore. He's pretty much dead already. 2 years to find the gun devil. That's all he's thinking. Himino.
Who's made him meet that fucking devil?
Oh.
Everyone grieves differently. Probably hasn't hit him yet.
So sad.
It's okay. You had a hard life.
He doesn't know how
Probably
to
numb
process
from
it.
everything. But the fact that he's asking himself shows that he does have empathy.
Aww. Hey,
Jesus
leave him
Christ.
alone.
Why does everyone eat his
Yo.
fucking apples?
Coach, about what?
Well, now they don't have anybody left, so these guys better be the best.
Damn.
God, I hate seeing Aki like that.
I can't believe he only has 2 years already.
Yeah,
how many times has he used that?
Maybe it just takes a big chunk. I hate this. Why?
What?
But he's gonna die so soon.
Oh. Maybe Himino can help from the spirit world.
We're still sold that she's in the spirit realm.
I feel like...
I won't be convinced unless there's a funeral, which they probably will do. Well, they probably will have anyway. I don't know when it will convince me.
Yeah.
I guess her just not ever showing up again.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Is that good enough for me? I don't think so.
I think I would need to see the ghost devil again or something. I don't know. I just feel. I don't know. I still feel like she's not dead. I don't know.
Hold it out.
Well, she was gonna die anyway. So I don't know.
This is Aki's trainer? The guy?
Oh. Yeah, you're right.
Isn't it?
I thought it was like someone who's dead. I got really confused.
Hello?
Let's dig him up. Who's he visiting?
I thought they have died.
Oh, that's kind of a hard question. Oh.
He probably doesn't want anybody going for revenge or anything.
Yeah.
That clouds your judgment.
What?
Sensei.
All right.
He broke their backs. They're just choking him.
Oh my
What is he doing
god.
to them?
Killing them. Knocking them out.
Damn. What the hell?
How did they fall like that?
Oh. Ugh. Ewy.
Just carried on packs of blood?
Yeah, well, he's gonna train some devils. It's special.
Not super a lot.
If he's as strong, is he even stronger than Makima?
Hell yeah, that was cool.
Is she giving him the hammer?
Is he... Oh!
Ah!
Damn!
Holy shit!
Are we just moving on from everyone's deaths already?
Oh, shit.
Ow! That still doesn't fucking hurt.
Come on, Power. Fuck. God damn it. Damn! Mostly immortal. Damn, that sucks.
Oh, damn.
Alright. Slight flex.
There's like, take the bells.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah.
He's not coming.
He's dead, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, mad at you. Oh, he's got an attitude. Oh shit, that sucks. Not anymore. He needs a new contract. He needs a new contract. He can't be using that sword anymore. Why would he give up now?
Yeah, no, he sacrificed pretty much his whole life.
Yeah. Makima?
Probably. Unless there's a new person.
Himino.
Oh, Kobeni?
No. Yeah, probably.
Kobeni? Who's this?
It's a mystery.
Hello? Who?
Wait. Oh.
Who is it?
Who are you? The fuck?
Is that... Remember that person that slapped Himino?
Oh, like the girlfriend?
Yeah.
Maybe. What?
You.
Oh my god, you're not helping.
You're not gonna help him,
Jeez.
What the fuck? Yeah, that could not be good for him. Oh my god!
Jesus.
Damn.
Dude, they both got the shit beat out of them.
Yeah, they can't. That can't be good for you.
Or like how she we should flee?
Damn, we don't even get a ride home.
He's gonna turn you guys into badasses, though.
Wow.
Use our brains. What?
The smart characters in manga.
Yeah, good luck.
Good luck.
They got 2 brains, so hopefully they can use them.
Oh yeah, Power? I'd love to hear him.
Dude, if we put our heads together.
No, they're not. They're gonna. If I get their ass whooped again.
If he brings out the chainsaw, he's dead.
Oh my god, the glasses.
Oh, she's in smart mode. Oh my god, I love it. That's so funny.
Are they not even in there? Oh, they are.
Looked like they're outside though. That was
Yeah.
weird.
How do they know where he lived?
Uh-oh.
Right through the peephole.
Oh.
Cool.
Oh shit.
Damn.
They're really going for the kills here.
Yeah, what if he does accidentally die?
Yeah, he's not part devil.
I mean, he's still human.
As far
I
as
mean,
we know.
obviously he's badass. But
guess
like
they all-
accidents happen.
And how come they don't have shoes on?
It's part of their smart attire.
Ooh, you got
Shoes make
Ew.
noise. I think
Oh,
your
true.
footsteps are quieter without them.
not his smart glasses. Just ruined Aki's door.
Oh, I thought that's where he lived. He was going to go get them.
Yeah.
Oh. Powie. Oh, he called him Powie.
Like, yeah, we failed, but at least we don't have to go through it more. Oh my god.
God damn.
What you get for thinking it's done? Damn.
Fuck. Sucks.
Oh, that hurt my head.
Okay, I guess he is getting a new contract.
No more sword. Put that away.
Yeah.
It was kind of cool, though.
It is cool. That's cool that the cursed devil can, like, keep talking to him like that.
Yeah.
Yes, tell us.
Oh, the one who came to visit.
Younger sister. Oh.
Himino's
Oh.
younger sister. Is it a
What?
confession letter
Oh
from
my
Himino?
god, that's a lot of letters.
Oh.
What? She's alive. That's what it is. It has to be, please.
I think it's a convention. Please read it
Oh,
to us.
yes.
Okay, about their
His dad.
dad.
Talking about him.
Oh.
Oh. She wanted to keep him safe.
Oh. What good does that do showing him that, though? It's gonna make him feel guilty.
But maybe he needs to quit.
Yeah.
That's what she would have wanted.
The future.
Oh god, they have him like locked up. Shit. No, thank you.
What the fuck?
I didn't know they had him like all
For
locked
what?
up.
What did they get?
Yeah, she's
Giving them half their lifespan and both their eyes and taste and smell?
Can they give him something less? Like maybe just a finger?
I'll give you my shoelace. He's probably gonna give him half his lifespan. That gives him a year.
1 year.
God
Jesus.
damn it.
I mean, at that point, a year, 2 years, is there really a difference?
Yes. Why did they give him that one?
Ew, is this an eyeball?
No, he's gonna step out and be this like ginormous monster.
Please don't end. It's gonna be done, yeah.
Of course it does.
The
Doggies.
future devil. Okay, wait, I will watch this first.
Future devil. Ooh, I like the song. That's cute. It was like an actual hand.
Yeah.
It's
it
a snake.
Yeah.
Who's that? Is that Pachita? The little
Oh.
guy running down the
Look like it.
alley?
Yeah. I like the song.
Me
Yeah.
too. Hmm.
Was that Power and Aki up there?
Oh, I couldn't.
It was hard to
Couldn't
tell.
really make out the
It looked
figures.
like that. Aww.
Oh,
fuck.
Yeah, I think Himeno is gone.
Yeah, it's looking like it. It's looking like that.
They haven't. Yeah. I think we were just hoping.
Maybe in a super future reveal.
Oh, yeah, true. You know what? You never fucking know.
Super future.
What do you guys think this future devil, like, what do you think he can do? Like, is it, like, gonna be, like, a psychic type thing?
Yeah, maybe they can, like, move whoever's using it, like, so much time in the future.
Yeah, or, like...
see it and then go back.
That they can see the future?
Yeah.
Or is
like, they can, like... Sorry, you want to say something?
No.
Okay, I'm thinking, this is my guess. It lets you get a quick glimpse of what's about to happen so you can avoid, like...
Yeah.
What's about, like, let's say, like, oh, you can see that about punch you so you know how to go, like...
Yeah.
Dodge and stuff. Like,
maybe the
so
more... the more time, like, the worse you have to give. Like, half your life.
How far ahead.
You know?
Damn.
Yeah,
how do you think someone would give up all their senses for this contract? Because then they obviously can't, like, be a devil hunter without any senses.
Yeah.
So, like, is it like a one-time? I don't get it.
Both their eyes, their taste, and smell.
I mean, they're giving. Do they know that Aki only has like 2 years left? I mean, they're probably gauging on how often he uses the sword, right?
I mean, I guess
I don't know.
They're guessing it's not that much time because they don't want him using the sword anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe they just give this devil to people that maybe don't have a lot of time or desperate.
His resolve is like different too.
Yeah.
Than most people's. Like, he's not quitting until he avenges
his
family, and now Himeno.
Yeah. But Himeno didn't even want him in it.
Yeah, like she was trying to get him out or wanting to get him out.
It's good that he saw those letters because at least he kind of has like more on each side, like whether I should quit or stay in it. Like I feel like he wants to stay in it so bad because of everyone that he's lost. But then he has that one reason, you know, that Himeno wanted him to quit anyways. But I know he's not going to quit. I'm just saying. Yeah. He shouldn't.
That scene, or like the whole sequence when he was like remembering her in the cigarette and like, it was so beautifully done. So
sad,
good.
Man. It's horrible seeing him like that.
Yeah, it is really interesting with Denji kind of like being like, oh wow, he's crying, like, am I sad? And like he's like remembering, you know, he shared moments with Himeno, like, you know, that's a quick bond, like it's been short lived, but they, you know, gone through stuff and had a decent blossoming friendship, you know. And he was like, it's nice to see him be like almost like a little upset that he's not upset. Like, he's like, maybe my heart is gone. So I mean, that just shows that to me that he does care. Not everyone like, you know, cries and stuff.
He probably has trouble like interpreting feelings.
He's also been alone his whole life. So
exactly.
He's fucked up. He's probably, he's already like messed up from his upbringing.
Yeah.
But that is good that he's able to recognize it. That definitely shows like growth in him, which I love.
I also like this new. Well, we met him before, but I like the teacher guy. He seems cool.
Yeah.
Seems fun.
Yeah.
He's cool as shit.
Yeah, he's really cool. Who does he remind me of?
Sure.
I guess like because he like talks really soft too.
Yeah.
Is that Zeke's voice actor? No.
Okay.
I think he just kind of like looks like him.
Yeah, I could see Zeke. I could see a little bit of Zeke in there.
You always love the badass teachers in any show. So.
Yeah. He'll be good for them. Hopefully.
I do feel like this episode is like a little bit of a breather from like the previous episodes. It's been kind of intense. Like, a lot.
Yeah, I guess we're just moving on from everyone that died. That's sad. How are you going to like introduce these characters?
Ain't got time to breathe.
Why would you do this to us?
Yeah, and then give them like a little dinner where they're all drinking together, having fun, and then kill them next episode. Or, like 2 episodes after, whatever. It was the next one, I think.
More or less, yeah.
That sucks, man.
Like, oh, is this going to be a little group here? Dead.
Oh, you like this? Too bad.
You think this is cute and fun? Bye. This ain't the show for that.
Psych.
I'm excited for the next one. I want to see who this new contract is.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're going to see more fucking Denji and Power training, whatever new things they can come up with.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're funny. God, they're still funny.
Yeah.
And he called her Powie.
That's cute.
That's cute. You care. Like, I think you care. Like,
I wouldn't cry if she died.
You don't give nicknames to people you don't care about.
That's true.
Oh, they're cute together.
Yeah, that was funny. And then she was like pass out because she used too much of the blood. But with the bottles on the top of the stairs, that was a good idea.
It's a good plan. Good plan.
I didn't realize it looked like Aki's apartment, but I wasn't sure. I'm like, how did she get in? And how do they know where he lives?
It did look like she was outside for a brief moment, but I guess because the apartment has a bunch of doors.
Yeah.
Well, now his peephole is destroyed.
Yeah, it's destroyed.
Aki just had a rough couple days and is gonna come home to his
apartment.
Blood everywhere in his apartment. His peephole has a hole in it.
Peephole is now a hole.
It's now just a hole. There's no peep.
There's no peeping left.
No peep.
It's just a hole.
Aki never gets it easy.
No,
they never give him a break. And now he's gonna have to sacrifice something stupid with this new devil.
When is he gonna? He's gonna sacrifice half his life.
Yeah, I think that's what it's gonna be.
That's so stupid.
He can't do the same contract. You guys mixed it up. The devil already took half of someone's life.
So what's he gonna give up? What's he gonna give up?
Maybe his ponytail.
Maybe like my pony. I was gonna say it. I said it. I was saying it as you said it. His ponytail. I don't know what he can really give up.
Well, I guess we'll have to find out next week.
Yeah.
You guys have anything else to say?
No.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out our Patreon and
Discord, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, you guys go.
Bye!
Bye.